In this video, we're going to write a number as an improper fraction. So here we have a mixed number. It's mixed because there's a whole number and a fraction, and we're going to write it into an improper fraction. So let's write it again in big format so we could see it. So the first thing to do to change it into an improper fraction is you multiply 12 times 5, okay? Multiply 12 times 5. So we'll put it over here. So 5 times 12. The next thing you do is you add 7 to what you just multiplied. So that's going to look like this. You add the 7 and then you put the denominator the same. You leave this denominator. So 5 times 12 plus 7 over 12. And then this is step 1 and this is step 2, okay? So now the answer is 16 over 12, and that's an improper fraction. And it's called an improper fraction because, and let's review the definition, the numerator is greater than the denominator. So improper fractions are fractions where the numerator is greater than the denominator. So we could see this is greater and this is smaller, okay? And that's the end of that lesson. So don't worry if you don't get that right away, just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. I have links there to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you can download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this lesson and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.